In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Jira keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're new to Jira or have been using it for a while, you may have noticed that keyboard shortcuts can be both a blessing and a curse. They're designed to speed up your workflow, but sometimes they can be activated accidentally, which can disrupt your work. Therefore, knowing how to disable them can be crucial in maintaining your focus and ensuring a smooth working experience. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk through how you can easily disable these keyboard shortcuts and avoid any unnecessary interruptions. To start, you'll want to navigate to Jira and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section titled Your Work. This is the hub for all your Jira activities and the place where you first land upon accessing your account. It's designed to provide you with an overview and easy access to the projects you're involved in and any tasks you need to work on. Think of it as your personal workspace within Jira, where you can manage your assignments and keep track of your progress. Once you're on the Your Work page, your next move is to look for the Help icon or the question mark icon. This icon is typically located in the upper part of the interface, often in the top right corner or along the main navigation bar. It represents the help or support section of Jira, which can be a valuable resource when you're stuck or looking to explore the platform further. Clicking on the help icon will open a menu with various options that are aimed at offering support and guiding you through different functionalities of Jira. From the menu that appears after clicking the help icon, you should see an option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Go ahead and click on this option to bring up the Keyboard Shortcuts menu. This menu is where Jira lists all the keyboard shortcuts that are currently enabled or available. It's a comprehensive list that shows you exactly what each shortcut does, providing an easy reference for when you're using them to speed up your tasks. It also serves as a useful guide for learning new shortcuts if you decide to use them later on. When you click on Keyboard Shortcuts, you'll see a toggle that indicates whether the shortcuts are currently enabled or disabled. By default, these shortcuts are typically enabled to help users become more efficient in navigating and operating within Jira. However, if you find that they're more of a hindrance than a help, this toggle is your best friend. It's a simple switch that allows you to control the functionality of your shortcuts. Just one click will disable them. To disable the keyboard shortcuts, you'll want to click on this toggle button. Once you do, the button should change appearance to indicate that the shortcuts are now turned off. Disabling them ensures that you won't accidentally trigger any shortcuts while working on your projects. It simplifies your user experience, especially if you're more comfortable using the regular clicks and commands rather than relying on the keyboard shortcuts. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the keyboard shortcuts in Jira. This simple action removes potential frustration and unwanted distractions, allowing you to focus more effectively on your work. Remember, you can always come back and re-enable them if you decide you want to give them another try, or if your workflow changes and they become beneficial for you. In conclusion, navigating Jira can be a seamless experience if you know how to customize it to fit your needs. Disabling keyboard shortcuts is just one of many personalized adjustments you can make to optimize your workspace. It's always about finding the right balance between efficiency and comfort, allowing you to work in a way that suits you best. If you ever encounter other features in Jira that you'd like to customize, don't hesitate to explore the help section. There's a wealth of information and guidance out there waiting to be utilized. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you now feel more in control of your Jira environment. If you have any questions or such other features you'd like us to explore in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that help simplify your technical needs. Until next time, happy working in Jira and may your projects be successful and stress-free.